Hi, I'm Michael. It's great to have you with us. You're going to be using this monitor for up to 30 days, so I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay, let's get started. In your box, you get a monitor, a supply of electrodes, and a neck strap. First, we're going to put on the electrodes. Peel off the back like this. They go here on the right shoulder area and here on the left lower rib cage. The white connector goes on the right, that's white on the right, and the red connector goes on the left side. When it's connected, the monitor will say hello like this. If one of the electrodes falls off or a lead wire is disconnected from the electrode, the following sound will be heard. The electrodes will need to be changed every 2 to 3 days. And if one should fall off, just replace it with a new one. If you need more electrodes, give us a call. Your monitor is on now and ready to record. When you want to shower or bathe, remove the connectors and put your myCam in a dry place. It's not waterproof. After the shower, pat your electrodes dry and then reconnect the leads. When you feel a symptom such as palpitations or dizziness, press the red button on the myCam. Your monitor will record for 40 seconds. Relax and sit still. Don't flap your arms about. There's no need to rush to press the button. You've got up to 40 seconds to press it, and the monitor will still capture your ECG while you felt your symptom. On a serious note, if your symptoms are really bad, don't just wait for them to stop. Call 911 to get help immediately. Your monitor can also record automatically if it detects certain heart rate changes. If you hear it beep by itself, don't worry, it's probably just taking a recording. For this reason, it's a good idea to wear your monitor all the time, even while sleeping. It might pick up something important. There's room for 2 recordings in here, so when you have 2, send them to us, and then you can do another 2. You can make as many recordings as you like in total. You can tell if the memory is full because you'll hear this. To send, you will need a telephone. You can use a landline or cell phone. If you're using a smartphone, use the app for Android or iPhone. I'll show you how to do that shortly. First, here's how to use the telephone. Disconnect the red and white connectors first. Now, dial the phone number on the back of your monitor and listen to the message. Welcome to My-Cardia. Okay, here's the beep. Place the device near the handset mouthpiece and press the red button. Now this could take a few minutes, so I'll just leave it until it's finished. Please don't hang up until it's finished. Thank you for sending your EKGs. Please stand by while we look at them. We will speak with you shortly. Now we reconnect the leads. Here's how to use the app. Download the app like this. And register like this. Here's how you send. When you're finished using the device, follow the instructions on disposing of the device. The ECG report will be sent to your doctor with the recordings that you sent. It shows all the recordings you sent. Over here, you can listen to all the sounds which the monitor makes. Please refer to the user instructions on the package. You can call us anytime for help.